third method of valuation, which is multiples. This is best used as a first pass or a reasonableness test. You can do it up front just to see how it stacks up, your chosen company, against some of its major competitors, or at the very end, after you do your valuation of free cash flows, see how off you are. Off is maybe a wrong term because maybe you're right, but see how different you are than the actual prices, and we could use comparables as a way, again, to benchmark. This is how it works. We identify a company or an industry number, and we benchmark some key multiples. And they could be based on earnings or sales or cash flow or book value or EBITDA, or a number of esoteric things like number of customers or a number of unique visitors on our website. It can get quite creative, perhaps too creative. And then we divide the market value by that metric, and that creates a multiple. And once we have that, we can multiply your company's metric times that multiple and get an estimate of market value. And so that would get the market value, and we could then extend from there to subtract out the debt and get to the price per share. All right, so let's try this out. We have company XYZ with these results, and this is our subject company, and it's not public, let's say. And they have 50 million in sales, 4 million in net income, and shares outstanding of 10. We have company ABC, which is a comparable company XYZ, but is publicly traded. Sales of 60, net income of 9, shares of 30 million, and $10 per share. So now let's try this out and get our multiples. So we'll go back to Excel, last tab, and here we've copied the information here for a reference, and here we'll do the work. All right, so let's start with just putting everything in a nice form. So XYZ has 50 million in sales. They have net income of 4, shares of 10. ABC has 60, 9, 30, and they have $10 per share. Stock price. And therefore they have a market capitalization of 30 million shares times $10 per share, so $300 million market capitalization. So now we can say, what does ABC have for a sales multiple? So the market value is 300. Their sales value is 30. So the market to sales ratio is market to sales ratio of 10. The other one is PE. What's the market value and what are the earnings? So what is the PE ratio? 300 divided by earnings, 33. Now we can apply it to XYZ. So we have from XYZ, we have sales of 50, and the metric from ABC is the market to sales ratio. It's 10, so that would indicate 500 million for XYZ. The PE ratio is, the earnings are 9, and the metric is 33. So the using PE ratio, 9 times PE ratio of 33 is 300. So we see there are wide variations, and this would be the value of XYZ based on A, B, C multiples. All right. So that's all there's to it. Again, simple, good for first pass, not good to stake your fortune on it.